to Curb Appealing Cocktails with Perry Wellington Realty, where we like to say life looks better with a little curb appeal
and cocktails.
I'm your host, Dawn Pellis. I'm also a licensed real estate agent, and here with me at the big table, he used to be the apprentice, but now he's the appraiser.
Imagine that.
Yeah, a man of many, many titles in the real estate world, appraiser, title agent, broker, owner. You got them all, Adam.
Yeah.
Adam Conrad.
Yeah, I was a Boy Scout, can you tell? I like merit badges.
You were that.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah, so there's a big deal.
It is a big deal, and it's really hard.
Yeah.
Like if you think, oh, I'm just going to, by the way, be an appraiser, think again.
Yeah.
It was a lot of work, but it's worthwhile, and my real estate background really helped a lot. I passed the exam on the first try, which is really rare.
Congratulations.
So yeah, so here I am.
That's awesome. Well, you know what? That calls for a toast.
Oh, a toast.
Yes, and of course, we have the best bartender for the job. He is back after a big week of closings and ready to shake up our spring break, hence the outfits. Cocktail of the week. We've got to get our shades on for this. Ready, Adam?
How about some shades?
Yep, here we go. Introduction, here he goes. Associate Broker George Pisonic. TGIF, George.
Hey,
Look
good
at
afternoon.
You know what? Perry's Pub and Cocktail Lounge over there just evolves
Look at
every
that.
week.
Now we got palm trees.
There's palm trees. You
It's
know, there's
bigger
everything.
every week.
That's right. So we're missing Annette today, but she's going to take us on a little vacation a little bit later to Boalsburg. So we're going to be checking out our office there. Such a beautiful town. I
got
love
it.
Boalsburg.
Yeah.
It's so awesome. So Jordan also probably wishing he was on vacation too, but he is hard at work today, so we're missing him. But you know, we got to carry on. So first, speaking of our vacations and spring break and everything, we are celebrating springtime today. The official spring selling season's in full swing. It's been really busy, hasn't it, guys?
Oh, it's been crazy.
Yeah. And how busy has it been, George?
Oh, the phone's ringing like crazy.
It is.
It
yeah.
is? Seriously?
Yes, it is. So, you know, last week we talked about commissions, and that's all part of the selling process. So it's how real estate agents get paid. And our plan is pretty simple, right, Adam?
Right, 2.5% commission to list your home, and then you decide as the seller whether how much and whether you want to pay a buyer's agent.
Yeah, that's true. So, George, let's talk about that too. As far as buyer's agents are concerned, you know, it used to be that, you know, people would kind of, you know, the sellers would include that in their commission. It was always negotiable, but now it has to be very transparent, right?
That's right. And it was expected that the seller would pay the buyer's agent, but now they don't have to.
Yeah.
That can all be negotiated.
Yeah, and that's very important, the whole point, right, Adam?
Right, when I bought and sold my last house, it was like, oh, we can get you 6%. Well, that didn't feel very good.
Yeah.
So here we are.
Yeah, so here we are. So let's talk about that buyer agent portion of it, because last time, you know, we said our part to list your house or your property is 2.5% commission.
Right.
And then the seller has an option if they want to offer an additional percent or two or whatever to a buyer agent to, you know, bring the buyers, right?
Right. Used to be we did 4.5%. We led with that. That helped build us into number one. Now we got this 2.5%. And you can decide as a seller how much you want to give. And bear in mind, 2.5% versus 6% is a huge difference, right? I mean, if you're talking a $200,000 house, that's what, over $7,000?
Thousands of dollars.
Wow.
Yeah, so that is a big deal. So what could you buy if you were saving that $7,000? So, you know, George, what do you think?
Well, the
any
first
thoughts?
thing I thought, because I like to take vacations, is you could take a cruise. You can get on a cruise down in Baltimore and go wherever you want.
Yeah, that's true. Adam, what do you think?
I think Vegas. Put it all in black, right? Take it in.
I guess you probably
could turn
could do
7
that.
into, like, you know, 14. I mean, that's an I mean, I'm just joking. It's really, you could buy a lot of things. You could buy all new furniture, buy living room furniture and appliances for your kitchen with the $7,000 that you save.
Yeah, you could. You could, in some cases, you could buy a new roof for your house for that.
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah, depending on how big your roof
Repairs,
is.
you think about it, you could help buy an HVAC system. I mean, there's all kinds of things as a seller, saving that kind of money, what that means.
Yeah, and if you wanted to, I mean, you could also do a lot for charity, you know, too, which is a big deal. I know we had a video years back that laid out some of the things you could do. Tropical vacation, we did talk about the new appliances, and then food at a food bank.
Right.
You know, you could, you know, feed the whole city
You
if
could
you
do
want
the
to.
turkey dinner, you know, at Thanksgiving time. You can do
Yeah.
all kinds of things.
That's for sure. So that's what we are in it for. It is generosity equals reciprocity, and it's worked out for us.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Great.
So, of course, if you've got questions on commission, how it all works, because it's different now, and you want to buy or sell too, we can help you with all of the above. So just give us a call. And there's more to come on Curb Appealing Cocktails with Perry Wellington Realty. So forget spring cleaning. How about cleaning up your refrigerator? It's called fridgescaping. It's like landscaping for your fridge. We're going to show you how it's done. I know Adam can't wait. Plus, we are taking you on a little vacation for spring break to Boalsburg. And Annette is taking us on tour of our Center County office there. That's later on. And of course, TGIF. So we are headed over to Perry's Pub or Cocktail Lounge or whatever you want to call it. George has spring break for us. He is doing a cocktail inspired by one of his biggest fans and a coloring book.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Right. You'll hear the story.
There's a good story, so we'll hear that later. But first, Adam, you've got a commercial listing to tell us about.
We do. This is the former Apex Hydraulic Machine Company up in Clearfield. You've driven by this, I'm sure. This is an incredible property. It was an industrial property, 6.5 acres. It's listed for $1.8 million. There is so many different buildings, and it's got all the overhead cranes, it's got electrical service, everything you need to run an industrial operation, and you can even buy it in parcels. So you could buy one part, or you could buy the other part, or you can buy it all together.
Awesome. If you're interested, let us know. We'll be right back. Welcome back to Curb Appealing Cocktails with Perry Wellington Realty. So springtime is the time for spring cleaning. Boo. Usually not so much fun. But you know what is?
No, what is?
What?
Fridgescaping.
Oh my goodness.
Yes. We always talk about decorating homes, staging, new paint, pictures, whatever it takes to sell.
Mm-hmm.
But have you ever thought about decorating your refrigerator? Not the outside, no magnets and all that kind of stuff. The
Right.
inside.
No.
No? Well, it's called the fine art.
The fine art.
Of fridgescaping.
Oh,
and
yeah.
according to Realtor.com, it is apparently all the rage. So it all started with a design consultant out in California, of course, California. Kathy Perdue is her name, and she coined the phrase in her blog. That was over 10 years ago, and now social media influencers, TikTok, everybody, they're doing it. For real. So George, you thought this would make a good segment for the show because we actually did this last summer when it was super hot, and lo and behold, it is still going strong. So you found a recent article on fridgescaping, right? It's called.
My wife did. She found the article and brought it to me. She said, "Remember when you did the fridgescaping?"
Yeah.
So I brought it in and showed you.
Yeah, and this article said it was a top trend. Adam.
Oh yeah.
See? Now, as I recall, Adam was not a big fan of this.
No.
Why not?
No,
It's so much fun.
did your mom tell you if everybody jumps off a bridge, should you do it too?
But it's
Right?
it's hilarious. But I have to say, some people agree with you. And check out this article from The Independent. So it says, why fridgescaping is the most unhinged Instagram trend yet. Unhinged?
That's a good
I'm
word.
with them.
What?
I'm with them. I think that's a great idea.
No. Okay, so let me see. We'll put it out there and see what everybody thinks. So how exactly do you do this? Ready? So here are some of the pictures I'm going to show you. Now look how beautiful that refrigerator looks.
That looks great.
They have
Oh, yeah.
flowers in there, and they color block. Look, even lights. Christmas lights are in there.
Mm-hmm.
So, you put everything in maybe glass containers or the same color container, and it just looks so much more fun and, simple than a cluttered, disgusting refrigerator. Doesn't it? You put all of your,
What do you do
drinks.
with the rest of the food, though?
Yeah.
Well, you got to stick it in there somewhere. See the carrots and things there. It's in there.
I don't see any leftovers. That's the problem.
Well, that is true.
Eggs.
But
Oh, that's pricey.
see, yes, these are very expensive refrigerators. Look at that.
That's gorgeous.
Yeah, see, and you can see your stuff. Like my mom's always saying, I can't find anything in this refrigerator. She has to clean it every single week. So, we did this, as I mentioned, last year, and I think the results were spectacular. You ready for the before? So this was the before of the refrigerator.
Yeah.
And soon you will see the voila. Ah, look at
Oh,
that.
That looks
We-
great.
We put our pictures in there.
I like the photos. That's awesome. When's the last time
On
you saw
ice.
photos
Keep us
in a
on ice.
fridge, not on the fridge?
Well,
Right?
that's the whole point of this, And I mean, look, and see, we put the koozie, the Perry Wellington koozie on, I think that's barbecue sauce or something,
Yeah.
and put all the sodas together. And we did this within a really quick 5-minute challenge. Yeah. So
Yeah.
guess what? You
What?
probably think we could not top this, but we are going to try, and I'm going to make you guys do it. So I think the refrigerator at our office needs fridgescaping.
It does?
Needs serious help. You want to do it, George?
No.
I'm with George. I'll let you know.
We're
Don't we
doing
have a
Let
it.
us know when it's
cleaning lady?
done.
We're doing it. So we're going to do it, and we're going to see the results on next week's show. So how do you feel about that? You ready, Adam?
I can't wait.
I know. Can't
Oh.
either.
Is there something we could do at the office, like, that's like, isn't there some like sticks outside we should pick up or
No,
something?
no,
Or-
we are
no?
not doing
Oh.
that. This is fun. Picking
Okay.
up sticks is not fun.
All right.
So anyway, lucky for you, because you probably want to have a drink after talking about fridgescaping, because you just are so nervous about doing it again.
Yeah.
We have a toast to Spring Break Brewing over in Perry's Pub. So let's turn up the beat, guys. You ready?
Oh, yeah.
Get all your sunglasses
Okay,
on.
yeah. Sunglass time.
It is time for TGIF, and George has a drink inspired by one of his biggest fans, right, George?
That's right.
Yeah.
You'll hear all about it.
Yeah, so this week's drink is coming from a coloring book, and there's a reason for that. So George, you're going to, that's the coloring book right there. So you're going to fill us in after the break, right? And this is a close-up of it. Look, cocktails and coloring.
Oh, that's
How
awesome.
appropriate, right? All right, Adam, but first, a Northern Cambria listing. So fill us in on this one.
All right, so we have a prime retail location right downtown Northern Cambria. It's got unparalleled visibility and foot traffic. It's only, I think, $39.9. Is
Yeah,
that,
it's
is that
a new
this
price.
Oh
No,
my
it's a new
God.
price.
Oh my goodness, I can't read with these sunglasses on. All right, so I'll tell you some more about it. It's a storefront in a high-profile area. It's got a large unfinished basement and upper level with this property, all for $39.9.
Yes, it's a new price. So,
Look at that.
price to move. So
Move your retail operation, your fridgescaping business can move in here.
I think that's a
Yes.
great idea.
Yeah.
You have so many businesses, so many titles, Mr.
Yeah.
Appraiser and owner,
Yeah.
broker.
Yeah,
Why don't you do Mr. Fridgescaping
Fridgescaping's
expert?
not going to be one of them.
We'll
So.
find out next week. We'll be right back. Welcome back. It is time for TGIF, and we are back in Perry's Cocktail Lounge with our favorite Mixmaster. And it's all about spring break this week. So, George, you've got something with beach vibes for
That's
us.
right.
And
We're going to the beach.
We are, and this was inspired by one of your biggest fans, right?
One of my biggest fans. Believe it or not, I have a fan club.
A big
And
fan club.
This little girl named Saffron bought this book and gave it to us. It's called Cocktails and Coloring.
Yeah.
And I took it to the beach last summer, and my grandkids loved it. And so they all were taking pictures and coloring them. Now, some of them they're not done, but the one that I picked to use was called the Bay Breeze, and that's what we're going to use today. That's Saffron right there.
That was the
And
picture.
She was so happy to find out we're going to use it again today, and she allowed you to take pictures.
Yeah, I shared that picture. So, what are you making today, George?
Okay, today we have a Bay Breeze, and it's very simple. It shows it right up there. Pineapple juice, vodka, and cranberry juice in any proportion. If you didn't use pineapple juice and you put grapefruit juice in it, then it would be a sea breeze. But a Bay Breeze uses pineapple juice. You just combine them all together, put in glasses filled with ice, and then you can garnish it with pieces of pineapple, if you have a pineapple, or oranges, maraschino cherries, or we brought umbrellas
Ooh, Adam,
because
there
we're
you
at the
go.
beach.
There you go.
So-
Put that in there.
Just
Just on
stick
the
it right
side.
on.
There you go.
Voila. It smells like
It's
summer.
really
Like
voila.
summer, summer in a glass. That smells great. I can't wait to try that. And of course, if you are going to try this at home, as always, we want to remind you to drink responsibly. And you got to toast your closings too. We always say this, but it's worth repeating, right,
Right.
Adam? So Abstract Closing Services is the place to go if you need to close on a deal. So what did they do?
Oh, they will actually get you the keys if you're the buyer and get the cash to the seller. So we can actually do for sale by owners. We can do people that are doing normal real estate transactions. If you need help with a closing, we're here to help.
Yeah,
And we own it.
that's right. So, and of course, it's our company, so it's under our own umbrella.
Umbrella. There you go.
So we've got great visibility, so we can help move things along. And you know what? We're missing Annette today.
Yeah, I miss her every time she's not here.
I know. She had appointments today, and she couldn't make it to the studio. So we thought, let's take the cameras to her. How about this? Annette filmed a tour of her office for us, so we can show you around a little bit. We're always talking about it, so we figured we'd take you there.
Sure.
So you ready for a little Boalsburg vacation?
Nice.
Let's go.
Hi everyone, I'm Annette Yorks, and we are here at the Perry Wellington office in Boalsburg, which is our State College location, and we are located in the Diamond in Boalsburg. And as you can see, we've got Duffy's just down the road, and we've got the chocolate store, Leopold's, and the winery. It's wonderful. So come on in and take a look. We are the second oldest building here in Boalsburg. We're right in the foyer, and this is kind of our hub. This area here is where we do closings with our clients, meetings with our clients. It's really great. We've done a lot of work to get the property ready, but we've also left a lot of the original charm as much as we could. So when you walk through, we open up here to the hub. This is where Crystal, who handles our closings as well as all of our clients, works. We have a little area for people to eat. We've done a lot in here as well. And of course, clients can help themselves to coffee, refreshments, whatever we've got. We always have goodies. And as you walk through this space, this is actually the client space here. So this is where we have meetings, things like that. My area is here. When the agents come in, they can either work here or we have a really cute loft upstairs, and the agents can work there as well. We have one of the best locations because we have such a great backyard. It's where we host right before Memorial Day our live music and our live music events, our shred events, and of course whenever we have any parties and it's too cold, this is where everybody is. They congregate throughout the whole space. It's a wonderful place to be in Boalsburg, number one, but number two, Perry Wellington, we make it welcoming. It's a very homey atmosphere, very, we get clients that say, gosh, I feel at home. And isn't that the whole idea?
It sure is. Thank you, Annette, for that. That calls
Great.
for a toast. Yay!
Yes.
That's an awesome office. And up next, check out our featured listings in Perry's Properties. Welcome back to the show. This is fantastic, George.
That's really
so good. And guess what? It's that time of the week again. Time to take a look at some of
Perry's Properties.
All right. I am heading things off at Oil Tank Hill Road. We had one just down the street that sold recently, and apparently these people were happy about that.
Yeah.
So they're listing too. So this is listed by Ralph Rossi, 449 Oil Tank Hill Road in Carrolltown, Cambria County. Ralph Rossi listing $199.9. Beautiful 4-bedroom, 1-bath home located in a great setting, 2.8 picturesque acres. Look at those hardwoods. So awesome. An
That is
updated
nice.
kitchen, updates throughout. There's even a gazebo outside, a above ground pool with solar heat. It's got it all. So you definitely need to check this out before it's
$199.9.
gone.
That's
Yes.
great. All right.
Next.
Also for $200,000, we have a listing 3893 West Main Street in Belleville. This was a treatment facility, 18-bed. Could be used for a bunch of different things. It's got a big parking lot, lots of space, all for $200,000.
Yeah, and George is taking us to Winburg.
Yes, and I got a bargain here for $77,000.
Ooh, nice.
You can get this property at 237 Jefferson Avenue in Winburg, listed by Ralph Rossi. 2-bedroom starter home in Winburg, well-maintained, move-in ready, 1 bath, price to sell, and all of this is $77,000.
Such a cute little place. Somebody's going to snap that up fast. And we are wrapping up today with another new listing, 173 Lower Cardinal Lane in Portage, listed by the Gretchen Gunnett team for $195,000. So it's a charming 2-story on 2 acres, lots of acreage here. It's actually in Hollidaysburg School District, and it has 3 bedrooms, each with walk-in closets, 2 full baths. You got to check that out. I think it'll go fast too, don't you?
Oh, yeah. No,
So
no
many
kidding.
good things.
Yeah.
If you missed it, give us a call. If you want to list or buy, we can help you with that too. And have a great weekend, everyone. Life looks better with a little curb appeal.
And cocktails.